Running out of space for your motorcycle essentials? These smart accessories will change everything. In today's video, we're counting down 20 cool motorcycle accessories on Amazon under $30 that boost convenience, improve safety, and upgrade your riding experience. From practical add-ons to clever must-haves you didn't know you needed, these picks are affordable, useful, and rider-approved. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss these hidden gems. Number 1. JOYROOM Phone Mount. The JOYROOM Phone Mount is designed to securely hold your phone while riding, keeping navigation and calls easily accessible. Its adjustable grip ensures compatibility with different phone sizes, while the sturdy locking mechanism helps prevent slipping even on rough roads. With a stable base and shock-resistant design, it reduces vibrations for better screen visibility. Easy to install on handlebars, it allows quick attachment and removal. This mount improves convenience and safety by letting you keep your focus on the road while still accessing essential phone functions when needed. Number 2. Favoto Motorcycle Cover. The Favoto Motorcycle Cover provides reliable protection against dust, rain, and UV exposure. Made from durable waterproof material, it helps keep your motorcycle clean and well maintained when parked outdoors or indoors. The elastic hem and securing straps ensure a snug fit, preventing it from being blown away by wind. It is lightweight and easy to fold for storage when not in use. With weather-resistant construction and full coverage design, it extends the lifespan of your motorcycle by shielding it from environmental damage and debris. Number 3. KEMIMOTO Cup Holder. The KEMIMOTO Cup Holder is a practical accessory for keeping beverages within reach while riding. It features a secure clamp that attaches to handlebars or frames, ensuring stability even on bumpy roads. The holder is designed to accommodate various cup sizes, including bottles and travel mugs. Its durable construction resists wear and outdoor conditions. With an easy installation process and adjustable design, it enhances convenience by allowing riders to stay hydrated without stopping frequently, making longer rides more comfortable and efficient. Number 4. BRCOVAN Phone Mount Lock. The BRCOVAN Phone Mount Lock is built to provide additional security for mounted phones. It features a locking mechanism that prevents accidental release during rides, especially on uneven terrain. The design ensures that your phone stays firmly in place while still allowing quick access when needed. It is compatible with various mounts and easy to integrate into existing setups. With enhanced stability and anti-theft features, it gives riders peace of mind by protecting their devices from falling or being easily removed. Number 5. KEMIMOTO Riding Gloves. The KEMIMOTO riding gloves are designed to provide comfort, grip, and protection during motorcycle rides. They feature breathable materials that help reduce sweat buildup while maintaining flexibility for better control of handlebars. Reinforced padding in key areas enhances durability and impact resistance. The gloves also improve grip, reducing hand fatigue during long rides. With a snug fit and ergonomic design, they support safe handling of controls while offering protection from wind, debris, and minor impacts. Number 6. DEGUM Cup Holder. The DEGUM Cup Holder is a versatile accessory designed for holding bottles or cups securely during rides. It includes a stable mounting system that attaches firmly to handlebars or frames. The holder is built with durable materials that withstand outdoor conditions and vibrations. Its adjustable design allows compatibility with different container sizes. With easy installation and reliable grip, it ensures that beverages remain stable and accessible, adding convenience to daily commutes or long-distance rides. Number 7. KEMIMOTO Tool Fork Bag. The KEMIMOTO Tool Fork Bag is a compact storage solution for carrying essential tools and small items on your motorcycle. It attaches securely to the fork or frame, keeping items easily accessible while riding. Made from durable materials, it resists weather and wear, protecting contents from dust and moisture. The bag features secure closures to prevent items from falling out. With its practical design and easy installation, it helps riders stay prepared for minor repairs or emergencies on the road. Number 8. LEXIN Cup Holder Mount. The LEXIN Cup Holder mount is designed to provide a stable and adjustable platform for holding drinks on motorcycles or bikes. It features a strong mounting clamp that ensures a firm grip on handlebars. The holder accommodates different cup sizes and remains steady during movement. Built with durable materials, it withstands outdoor conditions and vibrations. With its simple installation and reliable performance, it adds convenience by keeping beverages within reach during rides. Number 9. Mathtoxyz Disc Lock Alarm. The Mathtoxyz Disc Lock Alarm combines physical locking with an alarm system to enhance motorcycle security. It attaches to the brake disc, preventing the wheel from rotating. If tampered with, the built-in alarm triggers a loud sound to deter theft attempts. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use when parking. With its dual protection features, it provides added peace of mind by securing your motorcycle against unauthorized movement. Number 10. Benlari Air Deflectors. The Benlari Air Deflectors are designed to improve rider comfort by reducing wind impact during rides. Installed on the motorcycle, they help redirect airflow away from the rider's body. This reduces fatigue and enhances stability at higher speeds. Made from durable materials, they withstand weather conditions and vibrations. With improved aerodynamics and easy installation, these deflectors contribute to a smoother and more comfortable riding experience, especially on long journeys. Number 11. ToolWRX Grip Lock. The ToolWRX Grip Lock is a compact anti-theft device designed to secure your motorcycle's throttle and brake lever. By locking the controls in place, it prevents the bike from being ridden or moved easily. Its durable construction resists tampering and provides an additional layer of protection when parking in public areas. The lock is lightweight and portable, making it convenient to carry under the seat or in a bag. With quick installation and removal, it offers a simple yet effective solution to enhance motorcycle security without requiring complex setup or permanent modifications. Number 12. Woley Phone Holder. The Woley Phone Holder is designed to keep your smartphone stable and accessible while riding. It features an adjustable clamp system that securely grips different phone sizes without blocking the screen. The holder attaches firmly to handlebars and is built to withstand vibrations and rough terrain. Its anti-slip design ensures the phone remains steady even on bumpy roads. Easy to install and adjust, it allows riders to use navigation apps or take calls safely. With a practical and durable design, it improves convenience while maintaining focus on the road. Number 13. KAEDEAR Handlebar Brace. The KAEDEAR Handlebar Brace is designed to reinforce motorcycle handlebars, improving stability and reducing flex during rides. It helps maintain structural integrity, especially when carrying accessories like phone mounts or cameras. Made from strong materials, it provides additional support without adding excessive weight. The adjustable design allows compatibility with various handlebar sizes. By minimizing vibration and enhancing rigidity, it contributes to a smoother riding experience. Installation is straightforward, making it a useful upgrade for riders looking to improve control, durability, and accessory mounting options on their motorcycle. Number 14. ISEYOU Thigh Bag. The ISEYOU Thigh Bag is a convenient storage solution worn around the leg, providing easy access to essential items while riding. It is designed with adjustable straps for a secure and comfortable fit. The compact compartments allow you to carry small belongings such as keys, wallets, phones, or documents. Made from durable materials, it resists wear and outdoor conditions. Its ergonomic design ensures it stays in place without restricting movement. With practical storage and quick accessibility, it is ideal for riders who need lightweight and hands-free carrying options during travel. Number 15. JOYROOM Bike Phone Holder. The JOYROOM Bike Phone Holder is engineered to securely mount smartphones on bicycle or motorcycle handlebars. It features a strong clamp mechanism that holds the phone firmly in place while allowing easy adjustment for optimal viewing angles. The anti-slip design helps absorb vibrations and maintain stability on uneven surfaces. Compatible with a wide range of phone sizes, it offers versatility for different users. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it user-friendly. With its reliable grip and durable build, it enhances navigation convenience while ensuring the phone remains protected during rides. Number 16. JFG Handguards. The JFG Handguards are designed to protect your hands from wind, debris, and minor impacts while riding. They mount onto the handlebars and create a protective barrier that improves comfort in various weather conditions. Constructed from durable materials, they are built to withstand outdoor use and frequent exposure. The guards also help reduce fatigue by blocking cold air and shielding hands from flying debris. With adjustable fittings, they are compatible with many motorcycle models. These handguards enhance both safety and comfort, making rides more enjoyable in challenging environments. Number 17. KEMIMOTO Saddle Bag. The KEMIMOTO Saddle Bag provides additional storage space for carrying essentials during rides. It attaches securely to the side of the motorcycle, offering balanced weight distribution. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it protects contents from rain, dust, and road debris. The compartments are designed to organize items such as tools, personal belongings, or travel gear. Its reinforced stitching and secure closures ensure long-lasting performance. Easy to install and remove, this saddle bag is ideal for riders who need extra storage capacity without compromising style or stability. Number 18. SOH Helmet Phone Mount. The SOH Helmet Phone Mount allows riders to attach their smartphone directly to their helmet for convenient viewing. It is designed for hands-free navigation, communication, or recording while riding. The mount features a secure attachment system that keeps the phone stable even at higher speeds. Lightweight and compact, it does not add significant bulk to the helmet. Its adjustable angles provide flexible positioning for better visibility. With strong adhesion and reliable grip, it enhances accessibility while maintaining safety and minimizing distractions during rides. Number 19. Grand PITSTOP Seat Cushion. The Grand PITSTOP Seat Cushion is designed to improve comfort during long rides by reducing pressure on the rider's seat. It features an ergonomic design that distributes weight evenly, helping minimize fatigue and discomfort. The cushion is made from breathable materials that promote airflow and reduce heat buildup. Its non-slip base keeps it securely in place while riding. Easy to install and compatible with various motorcycle seats, it provides added comfort for daily commutes and extended journeys. This accessory enhances overall riding experience by improving seating support. Number 20. Growward Lock Set. The Growward Lock Set offers a comprehensive solution for securing motorcycles and accessories. It typically includes multiple locks designed for different parts of the bike, providing layered protection against theft. Built from strong and durable materials, the locks resist cutting and tampering attempts. They are easy to use and suitable for both daily use and long-term parking. The set may include keys or combination mechanisms for convenience. With its multi-lock approach, it enhances overall security by protecting various vulnerable points of the motorcycle, giving riders added peace of mind. That's a wrap on the 20 cool motorcycle accessories on Amazon under $30. If you found any picks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more budget gear videos, and check the description for all product links. Comment your favorite accessory and share what you want to see next. Ride safe and see you in the next video.